Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best platform where you can earn money online by your skill and services. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
Five Squid, what is it? Five Squid was built to provide a safe forum where people can exchange their skills from all over the world, and savvy buyers can pick up a bargain without compromising on quality. Is Five Squid.com legit? It certainly seems like Five Squid is a respectable company with which people can work and have positive expectations of their experience. If you want to join, link in the description box. How do I withdraw money from Five Squid? After the clearing period has passed, your earnings will show as available. You can then click the Withdraw Your Earnings button to have your payment processed to your registered PayPal account. If you want to create PayPal account, link in the description box. Our mission is to make it easy for everyone to buy and sell services online, whether they're a lone wolf looking to use their skills to earn a little or a lot extra cash, or a company that wants to get the biggest bang for their bucks without having to pay extra staff or high-end agency fees. Why do you use the Five Squid? There are as many reasons as there are on-site services squillions, but we're going to limit it to 5. Uncomplicate. It's simple. If there's a service you'd like to sell or buy, then Five Squid's going to help you buy or sell it. For equal no, if or but, Five Squid gives everyone the same opportunity to make some extra cash on the platform. Playful. Five Squid is British, but it's not the stuffy Brit, it's more the frantic chappy end. Fun and playful is our game. Approachable. We're always there for our users, friendly and welcoming. The kettle is always on, well, at least practically. Inclusion. For freelancers and corporations, we're here. Five Squid is for you, no matter your type or scale, buyer or seller. Who uses Five Squid for this? Everybody and their dog. Well, maybe not that dog. But we do have an incredible global membership group that covers over 100 nations. To raise their profits, individuals and businesses sell services. Companies and freelancers use us at a fantastic price to purchase great services. What isn't there to like? Why is FiveSquid.com excellent for freelancers? To optimize their earning potential, people everywhere can use FiveSquid.com, improve and use their skill set, and create strong online international working relationships. We encourage everyone to share their expertise and offer their services to the global online community, from students to talented freelancers, students who embark on their new career and need support to grow their portfolios and customer base. Small businesses that use the website to attract a broader customer base by offering a specific service on FiveSquid.com, for example, while also making customers aware of additional services or products that they may offer outside the site. Professional freelancers advertising a snapshot of their abilities to attract new customers, for example. While freelance editing services can cost up to £200 for a minute of editing footage, FiveSquid.com professional freelancers can offer the same services for a fraction of the price. The probability of multiple orders makes this feasible for the freelancer, while the service buyer enjoys a professional freelancer's service product at an affordable price. Individuals who are looking to earn extra revenue. Did you know that 37% of FiveSquid.com members are already in full-time employment? While many of these people just want to share the skills they learn as a hobby, many of them save for a new home or a dream holiday. Why is FiveSquid.com wonderful for businesses? Growing their company while keeping costs to a minimum is one of the greatest challenges for small and medium businesses. This is the location where 5squid.com produces for enterprises. It is faster and more economical to outsource jobs and complete certain projects that might otherwise cost thousands of pounds. Easy budgeting. Budgeting for a project is simple, with all services on the website clearly priced, in addition to different pricing for service extras. And sellers may build bespoke orders to fulfill the precise specifications of the customer for more complicated projects. In addition, the website now has a fantastic feature that allows customers to post a request for a service that might not be available on the site already. Only set your criteria and how much you would like to pay for the service. You can then be contacted by members of our sale group to pitch their experience and include a quote. A safe working environment. Only after their order is completed in full can our service sellers collect payment. To ensure that orders are fulfilled on time and as planned, we take quality assurance very seriously and have robust processes in place. A fun community to work with. We are really proud of our global selling community, and some of our most successful service sellers have been members of 5squid.com since its launch in 2011. Our service sellers are always willing to assist with recommendations on your desired project and suggestions. It is in their best interest to ensure that you are satisfied with their service and the project. Credibility is important. Our service vendors are proud of the good feedback and testimonials they earn from their independent services. You may check the standard of each service before placing an order by reading the buyer's feedback and seeing the overall percentage rating of the seller. This will help you to determine if the best freelancer for your project is the specific seller. I hope you all really liked this video. If you want to get more interesting videos, leave a comment. I definitely make videos on them. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to share the video. Good luck.